Presenting the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.